Hello dear friends, subscribers, guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off location services on a phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down and click privacy and security here. And here we need to click on location services. And here you can turn off this first setting. And that's all. Let's try use second method. Go to home screen, lower curtain, and here turn on airplane mode, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.